while, has it?
It gets really bad. Just turn right. It looks like it just goes up a verge. At least we can go into a field that's already been ploughed and so on.
Jesus Christ. Holy moly. Please come back lane.
Somebody want to get out and take pictures because it looks like me and Stephen have the same idea.
Oh, come on, we must be how near the end, Steve. I hope we are. This is horrendous.
No, man. Fuck is this now?
There should be a path to the left wheel.
I've no GPS because I'm videoing and I can't see it. This is the scratchiest lane I've ever done.
Yeah.
I am now at one with the bush.
Jesus, the thing is, it's the angle we're at as well.
Still.
It's getting worse. Oh, this is. Holy shit. The thing is, I don't know what's in there.
No.
I'm actually wheel spinning in low box. That is how bad it is. I'm actually inclined to bail, go up the banking and just go edge along the farmer's field.
Yeah.
Oh! I've just run into Steve. I have, couldn't see him. Jesus Christ. That's where you pop a window. Jesus Christ.
You really want to clear your CBA or mate, it's full of shit.
Steve, back up, mate. I'm going to try and get out of this. I'm on a massive angle here. I'm going to try and get out and see what I can do. Will's right out.
So you bailed, yeah?
Yes, yeah. It's a good idea now, looking at that. Yeah, it's a tow, innit? It's not worth struggling. Can't even drive out. The car in the video is sat level. That gives a bit of an idea of the angle we're at, trying to get out of here. I'll stop videoing now, I think.